How to fix iOS 18 unable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a software update. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is check internet connection. Launch your settings, enable for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for a few minutes. This will reset your network settings. Now disable it. Now you can try to update your software. Next up, what you have to do is scroll down, click on the option General. Scroll down, head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. Likewise, head back. You can give a fresh restart to your device. This will also fix your issue. Click on the option of Shutdown. You will get the slider. Slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Now wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and try to update your software. Next up, what you can do is reset your network settings. For that, click on the option Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now enter your phone's passcode over here and go through the process to reset network settings. Applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can easily fix iOS 18 unable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a software update. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.